Okay, so we're sitting in a little cabina, you know, Roy, and you're writing, and you said, you know, I just had enough. I'm going to take my guitar and wander down to the beach. Maybe the boogie board or the clear bottom canoe, or maybe we'll take the fishing boat out. Well, let's walk out the gate. Let's see how long it takes us to get to the beach from our house without shoes. Here we go. I don't know, I'm kind of getting winded. Well, we made it. Tide's out. The sea's pretty calm today. You probably wouldn't be able to sleep with that in your ears all the time though. Storm cloud coming up over yonder.